Good afternoon, Facebook family and friends. To God be the glory. Hugs and kisses to each and every one of y'all. I hope everybody has enjoyed their vacation. I know a lot of people have been off 3 full days, and I hope y'all have thoroughly enjoyed it during this holiday time, during this holiday break. I've seen so many people post that they enjoyed their family. They enjoyed being around and fellowshipping with family. Let me tell y'all something. Family is very important. It's important to each and every one of us. It's important to our bloodline, our generations, our children. It's important to government. It's important for schooling. It's important for financial circumstances, situations. Family is important to the world. And family is important to God. God created family for divine purpose. He put family in order. And guess what? The enemy hates it. Satan hates family. That's why he tries so hard to divide family. And we have to understand that he hates family. He hates unity. Why? Because there's power in unity. There's authority in unity. With unity comes power, and there's power in unity. And the enemy knows this. And so he does whatever it takes to try to divide our family. Y'all, we got to stop letting the enemy divide our family. We got to stop with the pettiness. We got to stop with the drama. We got to stop holding grudges for 5, 10, 15 years, even a year. Listen, the word of God tells us if we have a problem with our brother, if our brother does something wrong to us, then we go to them in private and let them know how we feel. And we need to do that more often. Yes, please understand, delivery is everything. How you say things, how you word things is everything. That's where the wisdom of God come in. That's where you go to God and you say, you know what, Lord? Tonight, my brother made me mad. My sister made me upset. My best friend did something to me that I did not like. Now, Lord, I need you to give me a strategy on how to go to them and talk to them about this. Lord, I need you to go ahead and condition their heart to receive what I'm about to say. And guess what, y'all? God will do it for you. God will show you how to talk to your family. But you got to ask. You got to go to him. You got to pray. You got to communicate. You got to open up your heart to receive the Lord so he can help you. I just wanted to let y'all know that family is important. I love each and every one of my family members from the north, south, east, west, south, everything, y'all. I think I already said south. But I love my family. I love my Facebook family and friends. Even if I don't know you, I love you. God bless you. God be with you all. And just remember that division causes a lot of problems. And that's what the enemy tries to do. He tries to divide. So please keep that in mind. I love you guys. God bless, and continue to stay immensely encouraged. Kisses.